Today we have to discuss how does the eye working of eye. Students, in eye, that you must be thinking that what is the role of physics here in the eye. The eye plays the vital role in seeing the object, and that is the eye lens, which is the crystalline lens, is having important role to see any object. The crystalline lens produces the image, and that image that you can see it by your eye. So what are the different parts? Again, I am reminding you, the different parts of eyes are, first part is the cornea, that is the transparent layer which is covering the outer part of the eye, and second part, that is the you can tell it as the ciliary muscle. This is the ciliary muscle. This is the ciliary muscle, which is holding the crystalline lens. This is the eye lens. This part is the eye lens. This is the ciliary muscle, and ciliary muscle is holding the eye lens. And in front of that eye lens, we will be finding the iris. And iris is like that. You will be finding the iris, a circular diaphragm, iris, and in between, at the middle of the iris, we will be finding a circular hole-like structure, that is the pupil. That is the pupil, and this iris is controlling the light whichever is passing through the lens. The important thing is that the ray of light should pass through the lens, and that lens is the crystalline lens which is converging in nature. It converges the light, and that rays which will be passing through the lens and will strike on the retina, produces image on the retina. So what happens here? The ray of light is passing through the iris like that. The ray of light is passing through the iris and it strikes the eye lens, crystalline lens. It converges and produces image on the retina. And it is sure that the lens is convex in nature. The lens is convex in nature. So it must be producing the real image, real inverted, and small in size. Small in size. The image will be formed, and this is the property of the image which will be formed by the crystalline lens, and that image will be striking on the retina. You just mind it, it will strike on the retina, and on retina what will happen? That image will be converted into signals, different signals, electrical signals, and that electrical signals will be carried by the optic nerve. It will be carried by the optic nerve to the brain, and the brain will interpret the image, the nature of the image, size of the image, whatever about the image, the brain will interpret all these things. Once again, I am repeating this one from the eye, that the important role is the eye lens. The eye lens is having the important role. The eye lens, the position of the eye lens and the position of the retina is fixed. You must be thinking, if the position of the object will be changed, suppose if the object is going far away from the eye, or if the object is approaching the eye, what will happen? Because this position, the lens position and the retina position will not be changed. If the object position will be changed, what will happen? Because the image distance will be changed, image distance should be varied. Either the image will be falling before the retina, or it may be falling outside the retina. So how the eye lens is adjusting all this position of the image? This is possible. How it will be possible? This is possible by changing the aperture of the eye lens. Eye lens aperture will be changed. Suppose in first time eye lens is like that aperture, and this aperture may be changed like that also, and that aperture may be changed like that. Means the focal length of the crystalline lens will be varied. You just listen what I am telling, that position of the image is fixed and position of the retina is fixed. If the object position will be changed, then image position must be changed. if the image position will be changed, either it may be falling before the retina or it may be falling outside the retina. So in that case, we cannot perceive the images. So for that, to avoid this type of difficulties, the eye lens only can change the aperture. Eye lens can change. That is why it is made up of crystalline lens. It is crystalline lens. Its aperture will be changed. As and when its aperture is changed, the focal length of the eye also eye lens will be changed, and this will be possible. The aperture or the focal length of the eye lens will be changed, and that changing can be made by the ciliary muscle. The ciliary muscle will be compressed and will be rarefied. Due to that reason, the aperture of the eye lens will be changed, and finally the image will be formed on the retina. It is the must that for the normal eye, the image should be falling on the retina to produce the image. This is this way that eye works, and we can see the images by the help of eye. Thank you.